Alrighty guys, so what we're going to do this, for part of this week, we're going to do what's called a spectrum color chart. So what that means is that you're going to do this whole color wheel. So this is yellow, yellow, green, green, blue, green, blue, blue, purple, purple, red, purple, red, red, orange, orange, yellow, orange. And if you notice, from yellow to purple, there's a straight line. From red to green, there's a line. Orange to blue, there's a line. Orange and blue are complements. Yellow and purple are complements. And red, green, and red are complements. So if you notice below the yellow, this is more gray, and this is gray. This is more gray, and this is more purple. This is more brown. This is, comparing these two, it's more bluish. Less blue, more gray. And then the same thing here. So I'm going to show you how to do that. And so here we have our value scale. So I'll do the value scale first. So here, so there's my black. So I need to make the next one up a little bit lighter. So I actually just took off some pigment with on the palette. Okay, then I need to make it the next one. Make it the same value. Just a little bit lighter. Okay. And then this will be just a little bit lighter. Like so. This is called the high dark, so it's still in the dark family, but it's a little bit lighter. So you see, they progressively get a little bit lighter up until here. And then now, what I'll do is I'll keep going. So this is a middle value, so it can be a little bit darker. So it says red, orange, and blue, green are more or less in the middle values. They don't have to be, but it's just kind of a way to think about it. And then we're going to get into what's called the low lights. Which is orange, green, and green. And we get into the light. So that would be a value 6.5. And then the white would be like a 6.9. So now we have our value scale. So now I'm just going to show you how to do one of these. I'm going to do the purple and the yellow. So you're going to do them all. So yellow, we'll go right here. Too much water. That's okay. So now I'm going to show you my palette, or try to. So here on my palette, I have the pure yellow. Right? And then here, I'm having purple, pure purple. So I can go ahead and paint the bottom one purple. You can see that. I'm going to paint that purple. So purple. So now, to show you, I'm going to add a little bit of this purple to the yellow. And you'll see what happens. You see, it makes the yellow a lot more gray. And then if I add even more purple, it makes it almost pure gray. I mean, maybe there's a little bit of yellow, but. And so if I wanted to say they're too similar, I could add more yellow in here and make that more yellowish, like so. And you can see this is almost pure gray. You see the yellow? I didn't clean out my brush to show you. But now to put the purple in, and that'll give you a pure gray. So it's the same thing with the purple. I'm going to put a little bit of purple. And then a little bit of yellow into the purple. And watch what happens. So it's still purple, but it's more like a purple gray. So these are called tertiary colors. Because this is yellow, purple is red and blue. Yellow, red, and blue will form a grayish color. So you're going to do that with green and red, orange and blue. Yours will look something like this, okay?